So today, one of our daughter is getting married. We are from Igbo State. So I'm going to show you what it takes to get married in Imo State. Their requirements, everything. I'm going to go there soon and show you their charges. So you compare it to your own. Let's know if we should advise them to change or to add more. You know what I mean? Because some men are scared of marrying because of the kind of charges they give them. They call it list. In that paper they call list. They have a lot of it. So we are going to check what they are doing here today to know if it's good or not. So if it's anything you say, just drop it on the comment section, okay? Thank you very much. My people, but the list is too much. In fact, that's what scares our men away from getting married. That's why they don't marry. They would rather keep a woman in their house making children without paying the person's bride price. Because just tell me, someone that is controlling 5 million naira who want to get married. So they will give the person a list of more than 1.5 million just to marry. So what are they going to eat? How can they grow? How can this couple grow and make their babies and have their family and grow? So how is it possible? And this list is going to Umunna. Umunna will collect that money, collect everything in the list, they will eat it. And your child will go to the husband's house and they won't have anything to eat. If that child come tomorrow to beg for food, that Umunna will laugh at you. So us Igbo people, let's try to change this thing. It's not good. Let's try to go and modernize it so as it will be easy for people. That's why our men are not getting married. That is what is scaring our men away from getting married. That's why so nowadays, if they meet themselves outside, if they come the first one, take the list, they will go. They won't come again, but they will take that girl. The girl will be having children for them. They'll be living like husband and wife. Or whereas they've not done the necessary things. If you watch in Zion Ministry, you see them there. Most of them, they are living together without paying the bride price because this list, you must finish it before they will collect bride price. If you remain one, they won't collect that bride price. So some men will just take the girl, go home and start having children. That is bad. Just watch this video now from Mbise. Look at the video Mbise as if they are now using their mouth to say that their list is not much. Because I know Mbise's list was much. Maybe they've reduced it anyway, I don't know. But I know that their list was too much. So Igbo people, please, let's help ourselves. Let's help ourselves. We are not selling our daughters.
I go school. Anya na di lazy. Marriage list any all the very cheap and affordable. Bia mbise bia lo nwanyi. Bia loro quality, awu ha quantity. Nwanyi mbise wodachi.
Nwanyi mbise. Aija kanka na di. Anya na no no lewu anwo no obo. Aija nyere ndi di anya aka, enyere umu anya aka.
Na mbise anyị. Nwanyi momuru nwa momu ha nwa. Ọ na ala. Di enwube di, ọ na ala. Momuru nwoko, momuru nwanyi. Ọ ga nọ na marriage hu ishi. Eji awadi ya n'anya. Nwanyi mbise ọ na ala na di. Ho sokwara gi me ya elu me ya ala. Ọ na ala. Ụmụ nwanyi mbise the best. Ụmụ nwanyi mbise aha kacha mma. Ha wo ọpụrụ iche. Ejikwala ha egwu egwuregwu.